Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. How you all doing? I hope you're all well. So in today's video, I'm going to be preparing air fryer chicken tikka. It's a simple meal to prepare, also affordable, and with this recipe you'll be able to whip up something delicious and healthy for yourself or for you and your family. Enjoy this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The ingredients used in this recipe include 1 kg of chicken drumsticks or any part of the chicken that you prefer. Spices include 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. I also included 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and 5 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, which I had left over in the fridge, but you could use any plain yogurt for this. The full list of the ingredients is listed in the description box below. Using the yogurt as a base, put it in a bowl. Then go ahead to add all the spices, mix them thoroughly. Then once it's mixed properly, go ahead to add your chicken pieces and coat them evenly so that to make sure that every piece of the chicken is covered in the spice paste. Once your chicken is completely coated in the spice mix, go ahead and cover with a foil and refrigerate for about 5 hours. Once the 5 hours are done, put your chicken pieces in your air fryer, set at a temperature of 180 degrees and for a period of 20 minutes first. After the first 20 minutes, go ahead and turn your chicken pieces, then turn the air fryer back on for an additional 20 minutes. The end result was crispy, flavorful chicken that my family and I enjoyed with some salad and some roasted potatoes. Go ahead and try the recipe and let us know in the comment section below how it came out and how you found it, and you feel free to tweak the seasoning to your preference. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.